Hey guys, and we're going to be factoring by grouping. So for factoring by grouping, you'll have one problem with 4 terms, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And what you have to do is split those 4 terms into groups evenly. So we can have 2 terms into one group, and another group with 2 terms as also. So what we have to do is find the GCF for each group. So let's do group 1 first. So that's 20n squared minus 15n, right? So we have to find the greatest common factor. So I know I can pull in 5 here because 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So I'm going to pull out 5. And I can also pull out n, because n times n is n squared, and n times itself is n. So I can pull out n, and now I factor. So 5n, 5 times what will get 20, right? 4. And n times what will get n squared? N. So 4n, because 5 times 4 is 20, n times n squared. Minus, because it's there. And then 5 times what? 5 times negative what will get negative 15? Negative 3, right? So minus 3, because 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15. And n we don't need to put, because n times 1, so we just need to put. So that's 3 times 1, so it'll just be itself. Alright? Now we do group 2. That's negative 24n plus 18. Okay? I know I can pull out 6. Negatives. I know I can pull out negative 6, because negative 6 times 4 is negative 24, and negative 6 times 3 is 18. So, and I can also pull out, that's all. So negative 6. Negative 6 times what will get 24? 4, right? Alright, and then n times this, so you have to put just 4n. Because negative 6 times 4n will be negative 24n, right? Plus, and then negative 6 times what negative number will get positive 18? So it'll be negative 3. Or you can write it as negative 6 times quantity 4n, right? Minus 3. Okay? So now we have this. 5n times 4n, that's 20n squared, because n times n, minus 5n minus 3 is 15n, right? And we also have negative 6 times 4n, which is negative 24n, and negative 6 times negative 3, which is 18. So we have 4n minus 3, 4n minus 3. So that's one of your answers for your factoring of this problem. So 4n minus 3. And also 5n